Welcome back to Agentic AI 101. This is episode 5. Imagine you're in a customer service nightmare. You call a company to check your order status. The agent listens and says, "I know what you need." And then, nothing happens. They can't look up your order. They can't process a refund. They can only talk about it. That's what early AI felt like: brilliant conversationalists, but completely helpless. The breakthrough came with function calling. Function calling is the ability of an AI to recognize what tool it needs, call that tool with the right instructions, and use the result to complete your task. Think of it like this: an AI agent with function calling is like a capable assistant with a tool belt. You ask them to fix something, and they don't just describe how, they recognize which tools they need, grab them, and actually fix it. Without tools, they can only talk. With tools, they can act. So how does it actually work? When you ask an AI agent a question, the AI first thinks about what it needs. Should it search the web? Check a database? Control a smart home device? The AI recognizes the right tool and calls it automatically. Let's say you ask, "What's the weather in Paris?" The AI doesn't guess. It recognizes it needs a weather API, a set of instructions that lets different software programs share information. It calls that API, gets real-time data, and gives you an accurate answer. This transforms AI from a chatbot into an active agent. APIs are everywhere: weather services, flight booking systems, payment processors, email servers. When you give an AI access to these APIs, you're suddenly connected to live, real-world data and services. But APIs are just one type of tool. There's also browser automation, the ability to control a web browser like a human would. An AI can navigate websites, click buttons, fill out forms, and extract information automatically. Imagine a travel agent AI that needs to compare flights across 5 different booking sites. Instead of you clicking through each one, the AI opens the browser, searches each site, compares prices, and books your flight. This is browser automation at work. Real-world use cases are already transforming industries. Customer service chatbots can look up order status, process refunds, and update account information in real time. Research assistants can search the web, gather information, and compile reports automatically. Travel booking agents can compare flights, check prices across websites, and complete reservations. Smart home systems can control lights, thermostats, and security systems based on your voice commands. Lead generation tools can browse company websites and populate your CRM. The magic is in the combination. The AI's language model decides what to do. The function calling system executes the right tool. And the result flows back into the AI's reasoning. This loop, think, act, observe, is what makes AI agents powerful. This is the difference between having a knowledgeable advisor and having an assistant who can actually get things done. But here's what's critical: the AI has to choose the right tool. It has to call it with the right parameters. And it has to interpret the result correctly. When all three happen, you get seamless automation. When something breaks, the agent has to recover and try again. That's why good function calling requires good design, clear tool descriptions, reliable APIs, and error handling. As AI agents become more sophisticated, function calling becomes more powerful. Imagine an agent that can chain tools together, search the web for information, process that information, send an email, update a database, and notify you, all in one intelligent workflow. That's the future we're building toward. The key insight is this: AI agents aren't just smarter chatbots. They're autonomous systems that can perceive what you need, decide what to do, and take action in the real world. Function calling is the bridge between thinking and doing. It's what makes an agent an agent. Next time on Agentic AI 101, we'll explore the bigger picture. What is an agentic workflow? How do AI agents plan multi-step processes and orchestrate complex tasks? Stay tuned.